06. Plant is not here yet, but it's one of these wheel bearings. I remember. That one looks okay. And, oh, there it is. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's toast. Let's get her going.
I just tested them to see if they create any
Here, the hub bolts are going to be 18. The caliper bolts are going to be 18s. And these 12s. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the whole caliper off and just hang it. We're going to have to take the ABS sensor. So just kind of pull that out of its little harness there. Just kind of move it out of the way a little bit. And then I'm gonna need a short one for this. So there's the caliper. This side, these are 18s. I just buzzed them out with my 1/2 inch. There's the front side. Check that out. It's a beauty. Yeah. 18 with an extension. Oops. Need the big boy. I need to remove the extension. This one though, I don't think I could do it without. Yeah. Sometimes this is the way to go. Got all the hub bolts out. I just gotta get this one off. I gotta go run and go get that. Anyway, I was gonna take off the sensor. Look at that sensor. That's toasty. Oh shit. Man, the fucking thing's toast anyway, realistically, so what the hell's the point of being all gentle with this? It's all cleaned up. Ready to go. Just got the cotter pin left.